Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing an LED using a joystick input. The joystick controls both the blinking rate of the LED and when it turns on and off based off the threshold values. These are two different circuits that are happening, so I'm going to be switching between the two, but the first one is going to be the blinking rate. So first it reads the joystick value between 0 and 1023 using analog read from pin A0, and then it maps the joystick's value to a delay range of 100 milliseconds to 5000 milliseconds using the map function, so that the LED is toggled based on the calculated delay using the port B register. So I'll just show you when first I should probably explain the blinking rate. So it's going to be at its fastest when it's closer to 0 or 1, and that's going to be blinking every 100 milliseconds. It's going to be at its slowest when it's closer to like 100% basically. On the other side, so the opposite side of 0, it's going to be blinking every 5000 milliseconds, and then the way it is now, it's blinking about 2600 milliseconds. So first we'll go here. You can see it's about 96 degrees. So that's like basically half of the, that's half of it. And so it's delaying about 2753 milliseconds. And this is the blinking rate. And then we'll go to 0. You can see the difference very quickly, and then this is it's not really 0, but it's close to 0. And then for the opposite, you can't really tell a difference between around 50 to 100, but right there. There we go. Okay, so I uploaded the new code, and so now this one is the threshold detector. And so for the threshold, it's going to be at 512. And if the LED is on, it means that the value that it's currently at is greater than 512. And if it isn't, it's going to turn off. So if I go the other way, it's obviously not going to do anything.